Welcome to 5B Tomato Peak Road. Nestled on an elevated site and en route to the iconic Tomato Peak, this low-maintenance home has much to offer the discerning buyer. The new owners will appreciate the well-designed open-plan kitchen, ample storage and high-spec appliances. It's a chef's delight. The stunning American oak floors, the modern tiled bathroom and ensuite, and well-proportioned bedrooms showcase that this has been a build that has been well thought out and executed to a high level. Two outdoor areas that come off the kitchen, dining and living rooms are accessible through French doors. Great spots in the tasteful yet minimalist garden for entertaining in the summer. Havelock North is a great location, close to popular schooling and the well-known village. Call me today to come and view this hidden treasure.